Hey guys, what's up? It's Maritza. Welcome back to my channel. Today's look is this Queen of Hearts look from Alice in Wonderland. If you want to see how I got this look, keep watching and I hope you enjoy the video. So I'm starting out by taking some concealer and putting that on my eyelids. I'm using this for an eyeshadow base. And I'm taking the Morphe 35B palette and I'm taking the blue shade and just putting that all over my eye, blending it out. And then I'm taking a darker blue and putting that on top of that. And then I'm taking a 35U palette and using this blue shimmer shade and I'm putting that in the inner corner half of my eye. And again, deepening up the outer corners. And then I'm filling in my brows. Taking a white eye pencil, I am mapping out where I want my cutout heart to be. And then I'm going back and putting some wing eyeliner on. For the scars, I'm going to be using this scar wax from Mayron Makeup, Vaseline, and Spirit Gum. So I'm first taking the Spirit Gum and putting it down where I'm going to be placing the scar wax that I rolled into a little worm. So I'm placing the scar wax down and I'm using a spatula to blend out the edges. I'm blending out the edges on both sides and I'm leaving the middle kind of bulky. Once I have the scar wax laid out, I'm taking the pointy side on my spatula and I am putting a cut in the middle. So I'm just rubbing the spatula and kind of dabbing it to create the opening. And then I'm taking some black paint and I'm coloring in the inside of the scar. Now taking some liquid latex, I am covering all of the scar wax with the liquid latex. This is just to hold it in place better. Now I'm taking some light foundation and I'm putting that on my skin. And then I'm going and finishing the bottom of my eyeshadow. Now taking some blood gel, I am putting that inside of the scar. So taking some red liquid lipstick, I am putting my lipstick on in a heart shape. And then I do some inner corner wing liner, and then taking some more vampire blood, I am taking a stippling sponge and I'm stippling on fake blood around the edges of the wound. This is going to help hide the edges of the scar wax, so it's going to be less noticeable. For the chest, I'm going for a checkered look, so I'm starting off by mapping out where I want each square to be, and then I'm going to be filling them in with white and black paint. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any new upcoming Halloween looks, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!